In today's episode, we explore the decaying HH Langford Elementary that has been empty since the closure in 2009. The cause was due to tax policies and mold and asbestos. We are heading inside this decaying time capsule to see the old classrooms and the gymnasium, which is slowly decaying over the years. Join us as we explore this unique abandoned location before more vandalism and even demolition. By March of 2024, the school was listed for sale, but has recently been abandoned due to vandalism. The property owner hopefully repurposes the building before demolition of this decaying school.
Oh, another paper. What does this one say? Date October 16th, 2007. Ooh, what's this? Yo, this is the, what do they call these? You switch it on and it's connected to, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Miss Wemp. Oh, they shattered this. Wemp's class.
My name is Wemp.
I don't know. This was a fire extinguisher, but they took it out. Let's check this room over here. Look at the names here. That's cool. Whoa. Dude, that's the basement. Look, it's all flooded.
There's a basement?
I believe so, yeah. I don't know why this was closed.
Human rights statement.
Damn. It's a lot of ice. Damn, this is crazy. Exact same date, November 16th this time, 2007. November 30th, 2007.
1990.
What is it?
I don't know.
What do you mean? Oh, that is sick.
Oh, it's the intercom.
Yeah, that's what we see on the.
It's got all these switches. Oh shit.
It's really. Damn. I'm gonna press the emergency button. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah, nothing.
What do you expect it to do? It's not connected to anything.
Damn. Look at all the rust on that thing. It's crazy. Just intercom. That's how you press. What you do is hold and then you talk. This is how you tune it. There's buttons in the radio thing. Over here, there's lockers. Do you think there's anything in here? Oh, this one's connected. Nothing really. Oh damn, look at the basement.
Sounds like there's a bird up there.
Huh?
Sounds like there's a bird up there or something.
Huh.
It's the same thing as in the other room.
That's a lot of glass. Holy. Miss Pinder. It's really destroyed in here. That's a fan or something. Oh, what are these? Do you know what these are? Some type of gear. A battery or something. Look at the decay on that. Wow. There's still butterflies on it. Damn. Oh, damn.
Boys, I'm gonna go down.
Watch your step, though. Wow, these are so cool. Do you know machines? Washing machines?
The washing machines? No.
What are these
Why
then?
would there be washing machines in the school?
Well, look. This is one, or is this a generator? Man, people really smash this up.
There's like a whole room under here, Sam.
Really?
Yeah, it's just flooded.
Holy, bro. This is all like trashed.
Crawl under there. Yeah, I'm crawling under.
This was a storage room at some point or something. Wow. Damn. Jordan is down there right now. Whoa. Jordan! Wow, look at those things up there. Exhaust fan. What's this thing? What's this? It's cool. I don't know what that is, but that's weird. This was maybe the kindergarten room. Go in here. Yeah.
Is the light off?
Damn. That's pretty cool. Look at the old gym lights up there. They're still, I mean, some are intact, some are like pretty much all gone from the. Wasn't there supposed to be like a pad here? Or is this the color for the school? Do you think there would be pads here when you run into it?
I don't know. I love the microwave.
Are these fireworks? Yo, they.
Fireworks or drugs? Drugs are most likely.
No, they're probably fireworks from New Year's, bro.
Here?
What is this thing? Oh, is that some? This is a microwave.
That's what I said.
That's crazy. Huh?
This thing has like a whole bunch of radioactive stuff in it.
Damn.
Like didn't date.
Yo, they keep taking the fire extinguishers. This is an old buzzer for the bell to go. There's nothing much in here anyway. Huh? Look, I found a kid's thing.
Hold on.
What? What are you doing? This is part of our vlog. It's actually another E here. Explorers. I think so. I don't know. There you go. Nice, dude.
call some people?
Another bathroom.
Yeah.
It's part of it. There's a lots more graffiti in here. There's more windows in this one, so be careful. That's the old, look, this is the old air conditioning. Will we turn it up?
Yeah.
That's cool. There's not that much in here, we can go out. And the windows are open, so come here. I wouldn't bother. Whoa. It's so destroyed in here. Oh, dude. That's creepy. Whoa. Yo. This was on the wall. Somebody like ripped it off.
Yikes.
Another. Bro, that was NFL and now it's NBA. Dean's. Oh. This is us, bro.
No, do.
Oh, there's a bird's nest here.